Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with AR Comrade. In this video, I am going to talk a bit on elision, types of elision, the purpose of elision and the rules of elision. But before moving on to the topic, if you are new in this channel, do subscribe my channel for the latest videos about English grammar, literature, linguistics, psychology and other interesting subjects. What does elision mean? Its definition is the removal of an unstressed syllable, letter, or consonant from a word for the purpose of decreasing the number of letters when mixing words together is known as elision. Means we drop the letters like consonant, vowels, and unstressed syllable. And its second definition is elision is the omission of a sound, syllables, or words in a speech. Actually, elision is common in casual conversation. And the purpose of elision is to make a language easier and faster to say. Let's understand it by examples. The first example is camera. Now in camera, the letter E is removed. The letter E is dropped. So it is what? It is elision. Elision occurred. The same don't know, it means don't know, and kinda means kind of. And the fourth example, like chocolate. In chocolate, the O is dropped, the O is omitted, so it's elision. Aspirin, I is dropped. History, the O is dropped, and in temperature, the A is dropped. In mathematics, the E letter is dropped, and the same in family, the I letter is dropped. And there are many other examples, like I say most famous. Now in most famous, the T is dropped in most, it becomes what? Most famous. The same in like gold ring, the D is dropped, it becomes what? Gold ring. And if we talk about types of elision, there are following two types of elision. The first one is contemporary elision. This type of elision refers to present day elision. It includes elision of vowels, consonants, and a whole syllable. Means in it, vowels, consonants, and a whole syllable can be omitted. Like mashed potatoes. Now in mashed potatoes, the ED is dropped, the ED is omitted. The same in the next example is that next day, the T letter is omitted, and strict teacher, the T letter is omitted. And the second type is historical elision. Most of the present form of language may reflect elisions that have been taken from the past. Historical elisions might have originated as optional but with the passage of time become compulsory. For example, in English the word cupboard would originally have contained p between the short sound and the b means b, but the p seems to be disappeared from the pronunciation of the word about the 15th century ago. And if we talk about the rules of elision, the first rule comes, that is a syllable ending in a vowel or in M is either not pronounced or prolonged if it comes at the end of a word before a word starting with a vowel, like fried, opert, bat. Now in fried, the EM is there, so it is not pronounced. It becomes what? Fried, opert, bat. And the second one, like if the second word is est, then the E in est is the one not pronounced rather than the vowel or M syllable, like magnanimist. Now in magnanimist, the E letter is not pronounced, so it is what? It is magnanimist. And the third rule is if the vowel or syllable ending in M is long by nature, it usually will not be suppressed. Means any vowel or syllable ending in M will not be suppressed. And the fourth rule, for the most part, a long vowel at the end of a word coming before a vowel at the beginning of the next word is neglected, but in the case of O, U and I, it sometimes happens that the result is like the addition of a consonant V or J. Emo age, for instance, sounds like emo cage. And why elision is used is the most important question which is always asked in papers. Why elision is used? The first point comes, that is fit words into a metrical scheme, and the second point to smooth the rhythm of a poem, and the third point or to ease the pronunciation of words, and the fourth point elision is also used when a writer or speaker leaves out unstressed syllables or other sounds in a word. Let's understand it by example. The Shakespeare elision example is, if this be error and upon be proved, now I never write nor no man ever loved. Now in the first line there is no omission. In the second line, upon be proved. In proved the E letter is omitted, and in the same I never write the E letter in write, there is the omission of E letter. Nor no man ever loved, the same loved, the E letter is omitted. And here are some examples of elision in sentences, that how elisions are used. They will be late. Now in they will, there is the omission of W and I, so that's why it's called elision of like these sentences. Elision of sentences like they will be late. Who will take the responsibility of this task? The same, there is the omission of W and I. I haven't attended the party. The same, there is the omission of O. And the same, the fourth example, she will not be coming to school. That means she won't be coming to school. And the fifth example, he could not buy a new car. He could not buy a new car. It means the same, there is the omission of O sound. And the last one, they did not go for trip with their families. The same, there is the omission of O sound at the last, at the not word. So it was lecture about elision. I hope you have understood it, and if still there is any question, you can freely ask in comment section. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends too, and if you have liked this video, subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.